Nigerian rapper Olanrewaju Ogunmefun, wey we all know as Vector the Viper, don't cause a serious debate now out there as he give him own idea on the intelligence, influence and the public eye where people take dey rate political people, especially before Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi. Actually, Vector been dey give Nigeria people advice, say they should be careful of somebody like before Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi. Say Obi is very intelligent and him mouth too sweet. Anything he talk, people just dey follow am. Dem bin ask Vector for inside podcast wey do recent, say what did he think of Peter Obi? Did he think say they are overhyping Peter Obi or make Nigeria shine eye for the influence wey Peter Obi get? Na there the rapper come answer say to make people just dey careful. Say look, Obi is intelligent and he popular for people eye, but now he don come out now come dey make it clear korokoro say wetin him talk was not to spoil the eye of Peter Obi or to look Peter Obi less or rubbish in work.